Hi guys, MoKa Nail Club is here and my name is Katerina Abourched. Today I'm gonna show you how I do the refill, the gel refill of one nail. And right now I'm removing the old product using the carbide bead with a green band. It's really nice for artificial products and sometimes it's also good for gel product, for gel manicure, to remove old products if you're sure that there was a strengthening and you will not reach the natural nail very fast. So as I used to say in my webinars, there's very important how you will remove the old product, and if you do it nice and smooth and even, you won't have to file a lot with a hand file. So right now I am cleaning the cuticle. I did not push the cuticle back and didn't leave the pocket. I'm just using the red flame bead with a soft corner. So it helped me to remove the dry skin, the pterygium from the nail, and at the same time to prepare a nail for the applying the product. Also, I use this bead for filing underneath the nail, which not a lot of nail technicians do. I always do, and there's a lot of reasons for that. One of them is to make the nail thinner, and of course to clean up and remove the natural nail, which we don't need. It collects the dust, so I usually clean up and put some product and cure it underneath. So as I said, I'm not gonna file a lot because I prepared the nail pretty well with a bead. Don't forget to remove the dust and of course wipe, clean and hydrate the nail before applying any product. I'm gonna use Trinity, which does not require any kind of bonding solution because it's 3-in-1, but I still do because sometimes my nail lift a little bit. And right now at this point I'm gonna show you how to apply and spread the product on the natural nail and self-level it, which Trinity is an amazing product for these purposes. I will not have to file the surface whatsoever because depends on how you align the product. It will just spread on the nail perfectly. As you can see, this is my result. If you need to apply the color after that, you're more than welcome. And if you prefer to leave your natural nail using Trinity shades, you would enjoy it.